Welcome to my bonsai journey. Today we're giving this rescued Red Balete Bonsai fresh start with repotting. Just a few months ago, I rescued this tree from a roadside canal. You can see a short clip of that moment. Its roots are already circling the pot and the extension pot, which is why it needs repotting. This bonsai, also known as Ficus consina, is admired for its twisting roots and resilient growth, making it a favorite for bonsai enthusiasts. Its vibrant foliage and dramatic aerial roots give it character and a natural elegance, perfect for shaping into a living work of art. For this repotting, I'm using a temporary large basin pot for root training. At the bottom, corn-sized lava rocks will help with drainage, topped with a river sand and mango-sized lava rock mixture to support healthy root growth. Now the tree is carefully removed from its pot, and I examine the root structure. This allows me to see the full shape of the tree and understand its underlying framework. I remove any dead or unhealthy roots while preserving the ones that will support the tree's growth. Repotting first gives a clear view of the bonsai structure, making pruning decisions more precise and intentional. The bonsai is then fixed onto the temporary pot with wires to prevent movement, and I fill the pot with a river sand mixture, pressing gently to stabilize the tree. Repotting first gives a clear view of the bonsai structure, making pruning decisions more precise and intentional. I take a moment to observe how the roots settle in the new soil, ensuring none are bent or crowded. I use a stick to gently press the river sand mixture into the roots, making sure the soil settles evenly around every root. This helps eliminate air pockets and gives the bonsai a stable foundation to grow strong and healthy. Each root is gently adjusted so it can grow freely while maintaining the overall balance of the tree. I pay close attention to the angle of the trunk and how the branches align, imagining the tree's final shape. This careful observation helps me make pruning decisions later with confidence and precision. Every branch, root, and leaf we touch is part of shaping the tree and nurturing its health. After repotting, I water the tree extensively to ensure proper drainage. Observing how the water flows through the soil helps me confirm that the roots are well supported and that the tree has the right environment for healthy growth. I make sure to water slowly, allowing the soil to absorb evenly and reach all the roots. Any areas where water pools or drains too quickly give me clues about soil compaction or root placement, so I can adjust if necessary. With the tree settled, I begin pruning. First, I remove the larger branches that disrupt the overall balance. This allows light and air to reach the inner parts of the tree, encouraging healthy development. By carefully shaping the canopy, I guide where new branches will emerge to form the overall structure of the bonsai. Each cut is intentional, helping the tree grow in a balanced and aesthetically pleasing way. After removing the larger branches, I work on the smaller branches and leaves. I carefully shape each section to maintain balance and proportion throughout the tree. At the apex, I pay special attention to the top leaves, refining them to guide the tree's overall silhouette. These apex leaves help define the focal point and ensure the tree's form is elegant, harmonious and naturally flowing. Finally, I make small adjustments to branches and foliage, ensuring the tree is balanced and visually harmonious. Starting with repotting allows me to fully observe the tree's structure and understand how each part interacts. This understanding guides my pruning decisions, giving me confidence in shaping the bonsai carefully. Repotting and pruning are acts of patience, attention, and respect, reflecting the care and observation each tree deserves. Each bonsai has its own story, and today this Red Balete continues its journey under careful attention. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this step-by-step guide inspires your own bonsai practice.